So coaching really is for everyone. You don't have to be at a certain, place in your career or be in a leadership role to want to or to undertake, a coaching program. It's quite normal to engage in a coaching program as part of your own personal development. So it's not always about dealing with a crisis. In fact, it's often not dealing with a crisis. You don't need to know exactly what it is that you want to work on when you start my coaching program. Some clients do know exactly that, they know exactly what their goal areas are or the areas they want to work on. Other people don't. Other clients just know that they need a change, but they don't know what that change is. It is quite common that the goal changes. Quite often what I see with my clients is, people will commence or start a coaching program thinking that, or having a goal area of, for example, I want to be a better leader. But quite often once we start to explore that or unpack that, it's not what they want, it's what someone else has told them they need to be. So once we start unpacking that and looking at, well, what does that mean? What does that mean for you? It's quite clear then that the goal doesn't have a connection, and so we need to find exactly what it means for them. When you work with clients that come in and are that start off very clear or very focused or very specific on the areas that they want to work with, and then by the time we get to the end of the coaching program, usually it probably happens around 3/4 of the way through the coaching program, they realise that it's not actually the job or the career they should be in, and they actually head off in a different path. And I've had clients that have actually, gone off in a completely new direction and started 2 new businesses in what really is aligned with their values and their passion. My job as a coach is to talk less and listen more. So one of the key skills of a good coach is their ability to listen. Coaching can seem scary for many, and having been there myself, I know, starting a coaching program can be very unsettling. But one of the benefits of engaging a coach is that, the coach is always on your side, even if at times you may feel like they're not, because they will challenge you and they will encourage you to take a risk. But they are there to help you along the way to transition from A to B. The other benefits that come from doing my coaching program is increased confidence, increased self-esteem, increased ability to be able to think in a different way. And ultimately, one of the big benefits that you get from undertaking my coaching program is the ability to think bigger, better and faster.